Pulled into camp. Got the tent all set up. Liam pulled out the hammock again this year. Kyle's got the solo one-person rocker. Looking pretty good so far.
We out here.
Big loam.
Like I told Kyle, you're on the
Oh. What the hell is this? Is this another trail? Some kind of hole in the ground. What the hell? Okay. Interesting. We're at campsite 6 and 7. I'm not gonna go any further back here. Liam, there's a hole in the ground. Let me check out the setups. He's got the hammock in here. That's not bad. It's actually kind of spacious. I like your setup. You got a little space in there. Wait, is this you or that him? That's Kyle?
Yeah, it's her.
I like that. Oh, I thought that was Liam. I thought Liam had the hammock. That's spacey in there. Like if it's rain, you just want to chill. You can smoke a blunt under there. That's good. That's a good idea. I like that. I like that. Oh, I got you. I'll smoke you up. I got you. I got my pen and shit too. What we got over here? Is this like a one-person rocker? That's tight. That's tight. Holy shit. And we got this storm blowing in over here, so we're gonna get cleaned up, finish up getting over here and figure out what's what. Alright, before it gets too crazy out here, we'll show you my setup. I got a little space here, bottle there, my bag there. There's gonna be the room in there. I haven't had it yet. We'll go down to the water real quick. I want to show you guys the water. We got a beautiful spot over here. Water hitting the shore. That's perfect, guys. Mountains in the back there. So perfect. Now, like I said, guys, we got this storm coming in, so we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do down here. So, it's starting to downpour pretty hard right now. So, as you can see, we are chilling in the tent. I'm on the other bag. We're gonna get set up. Later, sleeping clothes. That's important. I'm sleeping bad. Emergency flashlight. Gloves. Yeah. Good water. It's cool. How's the rain? This lovely police officer decided to stop and help us with our fire. Hey, woo! Liam's not invited! The fuck is he? There he is. What do you mean go in first? I just went in.
I literally was up to my face in there.
Woo!
We're going in first.
This shit is fucking.
I can't.
This shit is fucking misty too.
I'm really scared. I am. I gotta let you go first.
Homie, it's still raining too. Yeah, I got you. That's alright. You do that, I'm gonna make all the hot dogs. I'm gonna do them on a stick.
He's gonna bake and wrap
I'm gonna stab them.
We're gonna bake and wrap You're gonna pop that thing before you get to use it. Now these things are scared. These little toe biters. I'm trying to get your
Oh, you gooch. I really shouldn't even be holding this over
You
here.
shouldn't. I left my phone over there under my thingamajigger.
It's all for the YouTube content. It's all for the YouTubes. Go. The squad. Home. Ducky.
We got Tugboat and Tipsy.
This is
U-Haul, Ducky, Tugboat, and Tipsy.
this is fucking like thumbnail quality right here. This is terrible. Got that fire going. Got food getting ready over here. Got a few drinks in me.
Because you're alone and that's dangerous.
We got the loam. Big Ducky.
Tugboat and Tipsy.
What?
Tugboat and Tipsy.
You call me tipsy?
No, she's Tipsy. That's Tugboat.
Little baby.
That's what you're gonna do next. You're gonna fucking like a baseball.
Here, take my phone. Can I hold him?
not gonna throw him. No. Wait, ready? I'm gonna get the meanest, the nicest portrait of him. I'm waiting for him to go. Ugh.
Okay, buddy.
Hold him still for a second.
He's just gonna make me frog aside.
Where'd he go?
Oh, so we just woke up. It's about 7 a.m. Rough night. Bad day's job, but found out my fly. The fly, I mean that's up there. Why? Got my bud there too, so that was looking a little dangerously. Overall setup's not bad. We hold up pretty well. Charger up here. Getting the light up there. Yeah, I'm excited to get back home now. It's been raining. Went for a little swim yesterday. Not much. Everyone kind of floated down to the river. I got a little bit of shivers and I wasn't about to get pneumonia, so yeah, I dipped out. Yep. Real quick, some points of interest with my gear. This is actually quilted. You can see fills up with air, and that actually helps keep you nice and warm and gives you like a nice extra little layer of comfort over this pad because this pad only does so much. Pro tip, I actually have a pillow blanket I normally typically use. It's the blanket folds up into the pillow and there's an air breathable sack inside the pillow that fills up with air, and you can use that to rest your head. But yeah, bring that. Shoe. We got the thermal sheet up there. Now you're probably wondering, well, why the hell would you do that? If you look closely, these rails, this is a Chinese made from Amazon. This tent actually leaked on a CL50. I'm glad I brought the liner this time, or I would have been having Chinese water torture over there on my head. This light is like $3, $2 to $3 from Walmart. Not a bad deal. And it does 3 different modes. So I get the red light, the flasher, in case you have an emergency, off, big ass bright, dim, red. Technically 4 lights, I guess. But you can also set it down on the ground too if you want to, and it stays. Oi! Stretch it up. That's how we can find it here. So waiting for the other guys to get up, and then we're hopefully getting on the road because I'm fucking sore and I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I feel about just big chilling in our tents the whole time, so we'll see how shit goes.
Swim. To die.
Was that where it happened?
Yeah.
That's terrible.
I thought he was like, I don't know if he has heard anything about it, but it's just right there. See? Look.
That was like what, hours before we got there?
See? Look. There are no other islands. You said the whole Imagine you leave the outpost station there to like go check on another part of the woods, and you're like, you get a call, hey man, where are you? Oh, I'm in Lake George. Well, you left and now someone's dead. He said that he goes, it seems like every time I leave something fucked up happens. I was like, hey, oh yeah, first time I left the fucking house burnt down. Next time I leave someone drowns and dies. Just when you thought the coast is clear, there the clear is a white-tailed deer.
Quick stop in Wells, New York. We have this beautiful scenery over here. We are on our way back. We did pack up and leave. Cruise over here, playing with Liam's little mini frisbee. Fishing spots here. You can hook up your pole there.